Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to resolve the issue of queued emails not sending in Gmail. If you've ever had an important email stuck in your outbox, it can be really frustrating. But don't worry, I'll guide you step by step to get your emails moving again. First, check your internet connection. It may sound obvious, but a poor connection is often the culprit. Make sure your device is connected properly. Try opening a web page or running a quick speed test to confirm your connection is stable. Without a reliable internet connection, Gmail won't be able to send emails. Next, check if Gmail is set to offline mode. This feature lets you use Gmail without an internet connection, but it also means your emails won't send until you're back online. Open Gmail settings, locate the offline section, and make sure it's disabled if you want your emails to send immediately. Also, make sure Gmail is allowed to run online on your device. Refreshing your Gmail page or app can sometimes solve the problem. On a browser, hit the refresh button, and on mobile, close the app completely and reopen it. Another helpful tip is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Temporary glitches can occur due to outdated files, and clearing them often resolves these issues. You can do this through your browser's history or privacy settings for a clean start. If things are still stuck, try disabling and re-enabling sync in your Gmail settings. This often clears up synchronization problems and helps queued emails send properly. Don't forget to check storage space on both Gmail and your device. Adequate storage is crucial for emails to function correctly. If your storage is full, free up some space to ensure smooth emailing. Finally, make sure your Gmail app and device's operating system are updated to the latest versions. Updates often fix bugs and improve performance, which can resolve many common issues. Follow these steps, and your queued emails should start sending without a hitch. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more handy Gmail tips and tricks.